Hey buddies, so as you can see on the screen, I'll be teaching you quadratic equation today. So be with me for 1 or 2 minutes till the video lasts, and I guarantee you'll become expert in the topic. So let's begin. So these are 3 easy steps to find value of x for a QE. I will keep referring QE for quadratic equation. So yes, step number 1, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus equal to 0. So what we do is, when we get a question, let's say this is the question, x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. So what we do is, we always compare it with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and write the values of a, b and c properly along with the sign. So what is a? Simply x square means 1 into x square, so a is 1, b is minus 8c. Should not miss that minus sign, it's minus 8, c is 15. Now step 2, discriminant. It is simply b square minus 4ac. So after finding a, b and c, what we do is we find b square minus 4ac. If it is a positive value, if discriminant is greater than 0, we can proceed to the third step. Again, if discriminant is 0, we can again proceed to the third step and find the values of x, both the values of x. X always we have two values because it's QE. QE means x raised to 2. That's why we have two values for x. And if we get discriminant as negative, that is less than 0, then there are no real roots. So since there are no roots, no need to proceed to step 3. End of the question. Okay. So for the given question, let's find discriminant and see what we get. So when we do b square minus 4ac, b square means minus 8 raised to 2, which is plus 64 anyways. Minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 15. So what we get is 64 minus 15 4s are 60. So we get 4, which is positive, right? D is greater than 0, so it's the first case. It's a green tick. We can proceed to the third final step and get the values of x. So let's use this formula. So x is equal to minus of b. Now what is our b? Minus 8c. Do not forget, sign is very important. So minus minus becomes plus in the next step. We can simply write 4 there in place of discriminant, since we already found it as 4. Whole divided by 2a, so 2 into 1 because a is 1. Now what do we get? X as plus 8 plus or minus root 4 is 2 by 2. So what are the two values? 8 plus 2 by 2 and 8 minus 2 by 2. 3 plus 2, 10 by 2 is 5. One value, and 8 minus 2, 6 by 2 is 3. So x is equal to 3 and 5 is the answer. Now question 2, you'll do on your own and put the answer in the comment box. I recommend you to do 5 questions on your own for longer retention of the concept, or else you'll forget. Okay? So do not forget, you're awesome. Have a great day and see you in the next video.